Namaste students. Let's start with some practical problems related to integration. We are going to start with just a first exercise. That means the simple problems. Alright. My first question is, I have to integrate 3x square plus 4x cube dx. Now, first of all, we have done a property that if there are sum of two functions, I can write it like this. Alright, we did the properties before this lecture, before the video which was seen. Now again one more property, the coefficients, the constants that can go out. Now recall the formula. Now we have to see by which formula this question is related with which formula it is related, that I have to find out. If you remember the formula, first formula which we did, x raised to power n, if you have a variable raised to power constant, x raised to power n, the formula is increase the power by 1 divided by increased power plus c. Increase the power by 1 divided by increased power plus c. Right now I am writing the formulas along, but it has to be learned by the next lecture by all of you. That means the power is 2, increase the power by 1, that is 3 divided by 3. Alright, next 4 as it is, x raised to power 3, it becomes 4 plus 4, the very important is plus c, because we are dealing with indefinite integration. 3 and 3 cancel, 4 and 4 cancel, we are left with x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 4 plus c. Alright, so integration of this, it's x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 4 plus c. Alright, let's take the second problem. Direct formula, girls, if you remember, what is the integration of 1 by x? So initially if you forget, connect it with the differentiation. कि किसकी differentiation 1 by x होती थी? किसकी differentiation 1 by x होती है? log x की differentiation 1 by x होती है. इसका मतलब 1 by x की integration क्या होगी? log x. Very simple. Understood? Though you have to learn the formulas, but initially if you are forgetting, you can connect it with differentiation. Alright? Clear? Now here. Achha, one thing very clear. See, whatever the forms we have done till now, the question should be exactly in that form, then only you can integrate. See, differentiation was easy, though integration is also easy. But differentiation means we can differentiate anything. Alright, anything comes we can differentiate. But integration has certain limitations. Until unless it will not go in a proper form whose formula we know, you can't integrate. See, such kind of formula I have not done. I did not do x cube minus 1 upon x square. So that means it has to come in a proper form before integrating. So what shall I do? I can divide, that means I can split. Can I write this as? Alright, very simple. So x square and this cancel, so x. अब 1 by x square की कोई differentiation नहीं है. Girls, again, I repeat, जिसका integration का formula you have done, you can integrate that function. मैंने 1 by x की integration मालूम है मुझे, log x है. 1 by x square को इसके साथ relate नहीं करना. This is 1 by x square. So what shall I do? I am going to take it up. Is it clear? Alright, now simple. Now I will correlate this with this formula. X raised to power any real number. Alright, any real number where n is a real number. So increase the power by 1 divided by increased power. So x ka power is 1. So increase 1 by 2 by 2. Here increase the power by 1. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. So properly write it. X square by 2. This minus minus becomes plus. X raised to power negative. When negative comes in denominator, it becomes positive. And that's my required integration. Alright. Fine. Let's check next. Next is very simple. If you want to split, see here we did directly. You want to split, you can split. कि इसको अलग से इंटीग्रल में डालो, इसको अलग से इंटीग्रल में डालो और start करो solving. That's okay, absolutely fine. Fine. So if I want to split, I can. Otherwise, I can directly also solve it. I can do this. X raised to power 2 by 3. Related with the same formula again. Increase the power by 1 divided by increased power. So x raised to power 2 by 3 plus 1, 5 by 3 divided by increased power. Now the special case of this formula. What is integration of 1? Remember, integration of 1 is x. If I have to integrate any constant, with that constant, that variable comes in multiplication with respect to we are integrating. And again and again, do not forget to write C. Alright, let's check the next one. I can split here. I can take this coefficient 2 outside. Property we have done. Now all have come to the proper forms. अब सब का formula we have. ठीक है? We will differentiate, integrate it. Increase the power by 1, 3 by 2 plus 1, it will be 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. What is the integration of Ex? Look at the formula initially. You can see and do it, but then you have to learn. There is no other option. Integration of Ex is Ex. Integration of 1 by x is log x plus c. Is it clear? These were just simple problems related to your first topic of integration. I hope it's all clear to you all. Fine. The only key to success in integration is to learn the formulae properly. Then only you will be able to do the topic well. Let's see some more questions. I have to integrate sin x plus cos x. So what am I going to do is, we have a property. I can write it as integration of sin x separately plus integration of cos x. Alright, what is the differentiation? What is the formula of sin x? What is the formula of sin x? This differentiation, integration of sin x is minus cos x. And integration of cos is, alright, learn the formulas, you have a connection with differentiation, but do not mix up the formulas. Alright, clear? That you need to keep in mind. So differentiation of sine is minus cos, integration of sine is minus cos, and integration of cos is sin x. Now here, first of all, I'll solve inside the integral only. I'll multiply inside. Segregate, apply the property. Now recall the formula. Integration of cosecant square we have, no? अब again, जिसका integration का formula हमने किया है अभी तक, we know only the integration of those functions. Cosecant square की हमें आती है. What is the integration of cosecant square? That is minus cot x. And what is the integration of cosecant into cot? That is minus cosecant x plus c. Very important. Alright. Let's check the last question in this. Again, I can split it. So 1 by cos square is secant square. 1 sin upon cos tan and 1 upon cos secant. So I can write it as secant into tan. Alright. I can segregate the integrals. And do we know the integration? Yes, we do. We know the integration of secant square, that is tan x, and we know the integration of secant into tan is secant x plus c. Alright. I hope the basic concept of integration is clear to you all. Alright. And these are the questions related to just the fundamental questions, the basic questions of integration. Now we will do the exercise after this. Then we are going to start with methods of integration. Very, very important.